Welcome to the second episode of The Download, a series of short videos that highlight our best solutions. Introducing PIMMAP. PIM has taken their video screen application to the next level by aiding businesses and organizations in managing the health and well-being of the people who enter their facilities. After all, the first step to containment is identification. So, what does PIMMAP do exactly? Great question. PIMMAP measures and analyzes temperature to identify individuals who may have a fever.
Temperature within normal limits. Elevated temperature reading.
That'd be pretty helpful if we ever dealt with a pandemic. It's got a thermal infrared camera and facial recognition analysis, is non-intrusive and user-friendly, provides accurate temperature readings, can do over 40 scans a minute, scans for flu-like symptoms, has a contactless digital thermometer, gives instant results, can be used from 3 to 5 feet away from the tablet, and is set up easily with secure access. You can track activity and gain insights in real time to manage data across all devices. With PIMMAP, you can securely transfer data to cloud servers and have a daily and weekly backup. PIMMAP has the ability to scan authorized badges. By utilizing the IC card reader, PIMMAP can integrate into your company's existing access and security systems. No internet access? No problem. The Max BR1 Mini and the Max Transit Mini are affordable, industrial-grade LTE routers, and they support a wide range of cellular standards and worldwide frequencies. PIMMAP is versatile and can be used in a variety of spaces, places, and industries. Some common cases are schools and colleges, airports, public transportation, gyms, assisted living homes, sporting events, corporate buildings, and more. Financing options are available for this amazing product. I mean, how can you say no? To learn more about the PIMMAP M10i, email sales@hyperionpartners.net or visit hyperionpartners.net/PIMMAP. Until next time, folks. I'm okay.